Feeling stiff in your neck, tight in your back, or heavy in your legs but too busy for a long workout? Today's video is a 5-minute full body stretching routine you can do anywhere, no equipment. No experience needed. Perfect for mornings, after work, or before bed. Stay with this video for the full 10 minutes. First 5 minutes we stretch together, and the next few minutes you learn how often to do it and how to make it a daily habit. Before we start, a quick note: stretch only to a gentle pull, never to sharp pain. If you have injuries, recent surgery, or serious medical problems, check with a health professional before starting any routine and modify movements as needed. Move slowly, don't bounce, and keep breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. 5-minute full body stretch flow. Each stretch is about 20 to 30 seconds. You don't need to time it perfectly, just follow my pace and listen to your body. 1 neck side. Stretch, sit or stand tall. Gently bring your right ear toward your right shoulder. Option: lightly rest your right hand on the side of your head, no pulling. Left arm reaching down. Hold, breathe slowly, then switch sides. Keep shoulders relaxed. You should feel a gentle stretch along the side of your neck, not pain. To shoulder and upper back stretch, interlace your fingers in front of you. Straighten your arms forward. Gently round your upper back, like you're hugging a big ball. Let your head drop slightly and feel the stretch between the shoulder blades. Imagine spreading the shoulder blades apart and creating space in your upper back. Free chest. Stretch, clasp your hands behind your back or hold it tall if needed. Gently straighten your arms and lift your chest up. Open your chest, look slightly up, keep the neck comfortable. This helps reverse that rounded desk posture and opens up the front of the shoulders and chest. For side body stretch, stand or sit tall, feet grounded. Raise your right arm overhead, reach up, then lean gently to the left. Keep the chest open, not collapsing forward. Hold, then switch sides. You should feel a nice long stretch along the side of your ribcage and waist. Perfect if you sit a lot. 5 standing hamstring stretch. Stand tall. Step 1 foot slightly forward. Heel on the floor, toes up. Bend the back knee slightly. Hinge at the hips and lean forward over the front leg while keeping your back straight. Hands can rest on the bent thigh for support. Hold, then switch legs. Keep your back long, not rounded. You're aiming for a gentle stretch in the back of your thigh, not pain behind the knee. 6 quad stretch. Stand next to a wall or chair for balance. Bend one knee. Bring your heel toward your glute. Hold the ankle or pant leg. Keep knees close together. Gently push your hip forward. Hold, then switch sides. This targets the front of your thigh, great after long periods of sitting or walking. 7 calf stretch. Face a wall or desk. Step 1 foot back. Heel flat on the floor, front knee bent. Lean forward until you feel a gentle stretch in the back calf. Hold. Then switch sides. Keep your back heel heavy and your toes pointing forward. This helps your lower legs feel lighter and can support better walking or standing posture. 8 seated or standing spinal twists. Sit tall on a chair or stand with feet hip width. Place your right hand on your left thigh or left side of your waist and rotate gently to the left. Keep your hips facing forward. Twist from the mid-back, not the neck only. Hold, then switch sides. Twist only as far as is comfortable. Think length first, then gentle rotation. 9 forward fold or seated fold. Standing option. Stand with feet hip width. Hinge at the hips and fold forward, bending your knees as much as you need. Let your head and arms hang heavy, or rest hands on thighs for support. Seated option. Sit on the edge of a chair, feet flat. Gently fold forward over your thighs, letting arms hang toward the floor. This is a relaxing stretch for the back of the body. Keep breathing and let tension melt away with each exhale. How often to do this routine? Use this 5-minute stretch routine in the morning to wake up your body, during a midday break to undo stiffness from sitting or standing, in the evening to relax and calm down before bed. You can repeat it 1 to 3 times per day depending on how tight you feel and how much time you have. Over time, regular stretching can help you feel more flexible, more relaxed, and more aware of your posture and movement. To make it a habit, attach this stretch routine to something you already do daily. After brushing your teeth in the morning, right after lunch, before scrolling on your phone at night. Don't worry about being perfectly flexible. The goal is not to look like a yoga model. The goal is to feel a little better than you did 5 minutes ago, even on busy days. 5 minutes is enough to send your body a message. I care about you. Small stretches, big difference. Your future self will thank you for every minute you invest today. If this routine helped you, like this video, share it with a friend who's always busy. Follow for more quick, effective health routines and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a 5-minute boost for your body and mind.